Get ready to be amazed because this, if you love cool items, stick around for a Mo is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. C-Piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly worth every single penny for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Click the verified product link located inside the video description today without any delay and claim yours. Product link product_link_placeholder. Get ready to be amazed because